Word in Harmony is a project meant to support international artists and a way to bring new culture to United States and everywhere else in the world. It's meant to increase our awareness of other cultures, other countries, and appreciation of the art and uniqueness that they have to offer. My trip in Rwanda was on Christmas break in 2008. I was amazed with the beautiful colors and the paysage, the scenery over there. And I've seen that translated very nicely in art, in jewelry. The clothes that people were wearing were very colorful and great taste. I captured a part of the artist's hopes and patience and dreams that are translated into the work of art that comes out of their hands. So I decided to bring a part of that with me to United States and also to other countries as well.